Hello friends. Hope you all are having great time with your family and friends. Okay, this is Shahzad Arsi. I welcome you all again in my channel Shahzad Arsi YouTube channel. Okay, friends, in this video I will be showing you 5 free videos that you can utilize your time in this lockdown situation so that you utilize your time to fullest and get something going uh, and learn online because some of the platforms which I have discovered and found, they provide the paid courses free of cost. If you utilize your time nicely, then this period is for you. Okay, let's not waste any more time and start with the video. Okay, what I will be showing in this video, right? I will show you 5 free videos to utilize your time in lockdown. And one more thing, before moving ahead, I want to add on. See, please watch till the end and do like and comment on the video, and please share with your friends if you find it helpful. If I get 100 plus like, then I will share Facebook Marketing Ninja, which covers 40 plus hours of video, and it's more than $200 course. Guys, I'm telling you seriously, it's more than $200 course which is provided free of cost until April 30. If I get 100 plus like, and if you share this video with your friends, then I will share that with you in tomorrow's class. Okay, let's move ahead and not waste any time and see what I will be covering in this video, right? See, first I have got for you is Google Digital Unlocked. They provide free training, uh, free courses, free training that you will get from Google. Okay, and let's move and see what is inside the course. As you can see, I'm in the dashboard Google Digital Unlocked. As you can see, you have got result 126 courses, right? And in the left hand side, you can see data and tech, digital marketing, and career and development, right? So, guys, I want to tell you one very important thing. In this course, as you can see, although there are 126 courses, but don't be overwhelmed this with this all the courses available. Guys, I have discovered and researched from my end, and what I found that in this 126 course, not all are free, right? Only the courses which are free is that is this created by Google, created by Google, created by Google. Apart from this, if you find something like this, wait, let me show you where it is. Yeah, keep rolling. Yeah, this created by Futural Lab, created by someone apart from, guys, apart from Google. Whatever they are providing, they are paid ones, right? So you have to check on this. Created by Google, created by Google, created. This all are free. And on the left hand side, you can see, as I've shown you, data and tech, digital marketing, career development, course length 2 hours, 2 to 10, 11 to 20, 20 plus hours, pre and pre certification. It covers basic, intermediate, as well as advanced. Okay. Um, it's very straightforward. You have to just enroll in this Google Digital Unlocked platform, and you will find everything here, right? I mean, it's pretty straightforward, so you will not find any difficulty in accessing this course. I will drop a link all of these videos, uh, which I'm going to share with you in the description below. You will be directed to this page, right? You have to just enter your login credentials, email, and password, and you are good to go, right? Let's move ahead and see what's in the second one. Okay. In the second, I've got free blogging course for you, which is by Href. As you know, Href is one of the most trusted premium tools by the digital marketers out there, and it's the number one SEO tools. It's although it competes with SEMrush, but this is the number one tool by far, in my opinion. Okay, you will learn uh, about Href. marketing with href and blogging for business. It's more than 20, 10 hours. It's approx 10 hours course. And what you will learn, let's in this section, as you can see, href academy. You have to visit this website href academy, and you will see marketing with href and blogging for business, as I told you earlier. Marketing with the business, I let me tell you guys, first you learn from here blogging for business, go through it entirely, then you come to this section and visit this marketing with href and go with this video, right? Then it, yeah, this is my personal intake. You can go start from here and end here. It's totally your choice, but as for my choice, start here and end here, it will be better for you. Okay, let's move ahead. And what's in the next slide? Okay, let me see. Basic and Advanced SEO by Craig Campbell. You don't know about Campbell, but let me tell you that he is one of the pioneer in SEO. He knows SEO in depth, and he is also attached with SEMrush. Okay, so he promotes SEMrush, and he is a guru in SEO. Okay, uh, so let's see what you will find in this SEO course by Craig Campbell. Right? As you can see, I am in the homepage of Craig Campbell. As you can see, although there are three courses in my home screen, which I am showing you. This is affiliate marketing, advanced SEO, and black hat SEO. As you can see, these left hand side and right hand side are paid ones, $1,200 and $799, right? And this middle one is free. You have to just click on this. You have to enter your credentials, email, and password. You are good to go. And you will be enrolled. You see like this. Okay, let me see. You will see this my course. Okay, you will land here, and you can access this course from here, and you are good to go with this course. Right? Let's move ahead. And what's in the next slide? Okay, as I told you, this is my basic and advanced of SEO. And in this series, I've got the next course for you, which is Moz by Moz Academy, and it's free of cost. Okay, and let me tell you a very important thing. It covers in depth about SEO, which is not covered. Maybe you will miss some of the part in Craig Campbell course. Although I found it very useful, it's more than 8 hours course. But if you miss something out there, you can enroll in this course, and you will be get in-depth knowledge of SEO. If SEO is something that entices you and you want to make a career in SEO, then this course is for you. What you will get? You will get the in-depth knowledge of SEO, and this course, mind you guys, this course is free until May 11th. Sorry, May 31st. After May 31st, this will be a paid course, and it's more than 2,000 paid course. It cost more than most academic charges more than $2,000 for this course, which I'm going to share with you. Guys, you have to remember this. You have to use the promo code. We got We got this to enroll in this course. Okay, you have to use this promo code. We got this to enroll in this course. Let's move and see what's inside this course, Moz Academy. As you can see, I'm in the dashboard of the Moz Academy. Okay, as you can see, in the Moz Academy, what you will see in the left side, you can find, guys, that it covers, as I told you, about SEO topic, right? As you can see, agency, keyword research, link, local page optimization, research, and some site. You guys, just see the courses here. You have to uh, just click any of this course. Suppose I want to this enroll in this course. Okay, just click on the course, and yeah, you have to. As you can see, I'm not sign in, so they are asking to sign in. You have to click on this button. You have to click on this button, and you have to log in, guys. First, you have to sign in. They are asking to sign in. I'm not going to sign in. It's very straightforward. You have to enter your email, password, and if you have not made your account in Moz, you just go and create an account. You have to click on this and enter this, as I told you, this promo code. We got this. this paid course, which says $295, will become free for you. Any course, guys, any course. Just click on the purchase button, and on the promo code site, you have to enter this. We got this, and you will get this instant access. See, promo code. We got this. You will get instant access to this Moz Academy, right? Okay, let's move ahead. What's next? Okay, guys, this is for the person who wants to make a career in job shipping, and they are someone who doesn't want to waste, who doesn't want to uh, doesn't want to uh, who haven't got the chance to explore the platform Shopify. Shopify is providing, because of this COVID-19 situation, they are providing a 90 days free trial. Okay, 90 days they are providing free trials, which was earlier 14 days only. Guys, you have got 90 days to explore this platform. If you are someone who is looking to make a career in drop shipping, then you should definitely invest your time in this Shopify and learn everything about this. And if you find it helpful, then you can go with the paid plan, right? 90 days is more than enough to explore your learning drop shipping business, right? Okay, guys, let's move ahead and what's in the final slide. Okay, guys, as I told you, this is the page as well. I'm telling about Shopify. Sorry, guys, I forgot to mention that Shopify. As you can see, Shopify.in COVID-19. As you can see, guys, let me show you where it is. Yeah, this is extended 90 days free trial. Take the time you need to move your retail store online or build a online store. We are offering 90 days free trial, guys, for all new customers. If you are currently on 14 days trial, you can extend it to 90 days. As I told you, guys, they are offering 90 days. Utilize the platform, guys. And guys, uh, uh, this I came to the end of the season. But before I go, okay, I want to ask you one question, guys. Do you want to learn Facebook? In-depth Facebook. Not I'm not telling about Facebook only. I am telling that if you want to learn everything A to Z in Facebook and like to become a Facebook pro, Facebook ninja marketer, then please, I will share this video. I will upload that video tomorrow, and it will be only available free of cost until 30th April. Okay, and 30th April, till 30th April, you can enroll in this program. And course, uh, this course is a paid course, and it's and the instruct and the honor of the course charges $1,000 plus. Sorry, yeah, more than $1,000 for this paid course, and it is more than 40 plus hours training video. Okay, and it's currently is continuously updated, guys. I will be sharing this video, and you will not need any other Facebook course to master the Facebook ad platform, right? And if you need this, please, guys, I need your love and support, guys. Please show your love and support and like my YouTube video, like my video, comment and share with your family. Comment with your loved and dear ones, guys. If you find value, please do like and share. Your love and support shows a motivation to us and help us to produce this type of video with full dedication, full effort, guys. We are putting lots of effort. Please like these videos, like the video, and share with your friends. This is a humble request, guys. Thank you, guys. See you tomorrow. I will be uh, uploading the video of Facebook Marketing Ninja, and that is free of cost until 30th April. I will be uploading that video tomorrow, guys. Till then, take care and utilize, guys. Just utilize your time in this COVID-19 situation. Don't waste your time by watching movies, Netflix, anything extra, and playing video games and anything. Don't waste your time, guys. Utilize this time. This time will never come in this again. Utilize this lockdown period to the full of with full you will full effort, guys. Means you utilize this time so that you get productive, and you doesn't regret afterwards that you didn't utilize your time in this 1 month or 2 month time in the lockdown situation, right? And one more thing I want to add on, guys. Please follow the course only which you are interested. Don't enroll in every course, guys. The course which you desire the most, please enroll in this course, and please finish the course, guys, and implement on this. This is the success of every successful entrepreneur, and only 10% entrepreneurs become successful. Although there are many person who starts, but only 10% gets successful. If you want to fall in the successful category, then you have to start with one and implement that learning until you finish. Don't enroll or don't go jump to another course. This is the secret, guys. Okay, guys, thanks for your patience, thanks for your time. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye. Take care.